Hi, I'm Flemming from Provideo in Denmark, and welcome to my very first unboxing video ever. Last week I saw a video made by a guy called Doug Johnson from Doug Johnson Production in the US, and he was at the NAB fair, and he showed me a very interesting product from Blackmagic Design that I immediately went out and bought. And here it is. It's quite heavy, and it's the new ATEM Television Studio Pro 4K switch, which is going to replace my old ATEM Television Studio HD switcher, which has its limitations with my setup. So I've been looking forward to that. I actually didn't sleep well last night in expectation of this, and it just arrived a few minutes or hours ago. So I thought I would start with an unboxing, and then next week I'm going to do a gig, a radio production with this guy, and then I'll come back with another video with my impressions of the switcher, how it worked and what I think about it, pros and cons and stuff like that. But let's start with the unboxing. And here we go. It's quite heavy, so I'll just stand up and do this. There we go. And here we have the welcome and thank you. And the, I guess Blackmagic was in such a hurry to ship this to me that they forgot to put in the SD card with the manual and drivers, but I'll find that on the net, so no worries, guys. And here it is. Let's open it up. Whoop. Wow. Look at this. It's quite heavy. I would guess 5, 6, 7 kilos. Don't know what that is in pounds, but I guess it's double that or something. Let's start from the back. Do this. So here we have the connections from left to right. Power in, 12 volt 4-pin. And here in Europe we are using 230 volt AC. We have remote control, Ethernet, USB for updating, I guess. And then the SDI connectors here are inputs 1 through 8. And on top of that we have outputs, I guess for tele and talkback, if you have a Blackmagic camera that supports that. And at the end here we have ref in, and on top of that the auxiliary port, program, multi-view SDI, and a multi-view HDMI. And then we have 2 analog audio ports, line, I guess. And then we have a microphone input for talkback and a plug for the headset. Right. Let's turn it around. Oh, wow. Quite a lot of buttons. Recognize most of them. This is what it looks like. Quite sturdy construction. Good feel to the buttons. They're nice and tight. That should work. As mentioned, I'm using this for a gig next week, so I'll be back in a little more than a week with my first impressions in actual use. But for now, I'm very excited. It looks like serious professional gear. I can't wait to switch it on and connect everything. So I'll be back in a little more than a week with a review of this guy. And until then, I'll see you. Bye-bye.